Good evening, dear students. Myself Kanhaiya Jha, and I am on YouTube channel Kanhaiya Physics. Please like and subscribe the video if you like the content and share it with your friends. Today I will discuss the application part of differentiation and integration. So first understand that what is velocity. Velocity is, you have already understand that velocity is change in displacement per unit time is known as velocity. What is velocity? Change in displacement per unit time is known as velocity. And what is average velocity? This is also change in velocity per unit time. But here average means when the time period will be more, time gap will be more, time difference will be more. But what is then instantaneous? Instantaneous means velocity at any particular instant. For example, suppose that if this is our Bahubali and Bahubali want to go from Patna to Guwahati. So when Bahubali is saying that no sir, I will go by car, I will go only by car. So when the Bahubali will go by car from Patna to Guwahati, then in the path, his velocity will not be uniform. His velocity will not be uniform. It will fluctuate. Sometimes the velocity will be high, sometimes the velocity will be low. Why? Because when the traffic will be very high, then the velocity will be less. And when there will be no any jam, when there is no any traffic, then your velocity will be high and then Bahubali can go fastly. Right? That means Bahubali velocity will be non-uniform. And if someone will ask Bahubali, suppose if Devsena will ask from Bahubali that what is your average velocity Bahubali, then what Bahubali will say? Neither he will say minimum velocity nor he will say maximum, so he will say the average value. So that is known as average velocity. And how we will find average velocity? ds by dt, that means s2 minus s1 by t2 minus t1. Right? And what is instantaneous? Instantaneous means velocity at any particular instant. What does it mean? That means suppose if someone is going and if there will be any accident, then if suppose a policeman will ask that what was your velocity when accident took place? What was your velocity when accident took place? That means they are interested the velocity of an object at any particular instant. That means when the accident took place, at that time what was the velocity? Right? So velocity at any particular instant is known as instantaneous velocity. Like that, there is acceleration also. That what is acceleration? dv by dt. Change in velocity per unit time is known as acceleration. Change in velocity per unit time is known as acceleration. This is instantaneous acceleration. This is instantaneous acceleration. And what is this? This is average acceleration. And how we will find v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1. I will come to the numerical, then you will understand it better. That's the first question. Okay, write the question. If S is equal to 4t square, or write like this, 4t cube plus 3t square plus 5t plus 2, then find first question. Velocity of object at t equal 2 seconds. Second, acceleration of object at t equal 1 second. you have to find velocity as well as acceleration of the object. Now see that how we will find. Which thing is given? Displacement is given. What we have to find? Velocity and acceleration. Now try to understand this thing. That there is only three things: displacement, velocity, acceleration. Displacement, velocity, acceleration. When they will give you displacement, now understand it clearly. When they will give you displacement and then they will ask you that find the acceleration of the object. So for finding displacement they will give you have to find velocity, then you have to do differentiation. Now what they will give? Velocity equation they will give you, and then they will ask that find acceleration. So velocity equation they will give you have to find acceleration, then again do differentiation. Now see the reverse. Acceleration equation they will give you. What they will give you? Acceleration equation they will give you, and then they will ask you find velocity. Then what you have to do? Integration. Then again velocity equation they will give you, and you have to find displacement. What you have to do? Integration. Actually, when you have to go from left to right, you have to differentiate, and when you have to come from right to left, you have to integrate. Actually, differentiation is the reverse process of integration, or you can say integration is the reverse process of differentiation. दोनों उल्टा चलता है. So when you have to go from left to right, displacement equation they will give you, and they will ask you velocity. Displacement दे दिया, velocity पूछा, क्या कहेंगे? Differentiation. Velocity दे दिया, acceleration पूछा, क्या कहेंगे? Differentiation. Now they will give you acceleration. Acceleration दे दिया, velocity पूछा, integration. Velocity दे दिया, displacement पूछा, again integration. Here see what they have given. Displacement they have given. They have asked about velocity. What is the equation of displacement? 4t cube plus 3t square plus 5t plus 2. This is given. What we have to find? Velocity. So how we will find velocity? So for finding velocity, differentiate displacement with respect to time. So if you will differentiate displacement with respect to time, you will get velocity. How we can differentiate? 4t cube का differentiation. 4 is a constant. So 4 is a constant. T cube का differentiation 3t square. T cube का differentiation 3t square. If you have not watched my previous video, then watch video on differentiation and integration by Kanhaiya Jha. So t cube का differentiation 3t square plus 3 is constant. Take it outside. T square का differentiation 2t plus 5t का differentiation 5 plus 2 is a constant. That differentiation will be 0. So velocity equation will be equal to 12t square plus 6t plus 5. This is the equation of velocity. Now what they have asked, that find velocity of object at t equal 2 seconds. But we have to find velocity at t equal 2 seconds. So velocity when t is equal to what? 2 seconds. So in the equation of velocity, put t equal to. In the equation of velocity, put time equal 2 seconds. You will get velocity of the object at the particular time t equal 2 seconds. So here in this equation, 12 into 2 ka square plus 6 into 2 plus 5. This will be there. So in this equation, at the place of t, we have put 2. So 12 into 2 ka square. This will be what? 4. 12 4 is 48 plus 12 plus 5. Answer will be what? 5 to 7, 7 7 14, 15 1, 1 1 2, 2 6, 65 meter per second. So this is the velocity at t equal 2 seconds. That means at the particular time t equal 2 seconds. Now try to understand the concept. At the particular time t equal 2 seconds, what is the velocity of object? What is the answer? 65 meter per second. Now they will ask you that find acceleration of object at t equal 1 second. So what we have to find? We have to find acceleration. Which equation is this? Velocity. Velocity equation is given. Acceleration we have to find. We have to go from velocity to acceleration. What we will do? Differentiation. So we will differentiate it again. So acceleration is dv by dt. That means change in velocity per unit time is known as acceleration. So differentiate this. 12 is a constant, or take it outside. T square का differentiation 2t. So 12 into 2t. See this? T square का differentiation 2t plus 60 का differentiation 6 और 5 is the constant, that differentiation will be 0. So this will be 12 into 2t will be 24t plus 6. Right? So this is the equation of acceleration. Acceleration is 24t plus 6. We have to find acceleration of an object at t equal 1 second. So this is instantaneous acceleration. Why? Because we are interested at the particular time, that when the time is equal 1 second, t is equal to 1 second, at that particular time what is the acceleration? So put in this equation t equal 1 second. So 24 into 1 plus 6. So answer will be 30 meter per second square. That will be the answer of acceleration. Correct? Copy it fastly. I will take the next question. Or take the screenshot. Okay, write the next question. If v is equal to 2t square minus 4t, find average acceleration. Find average acceleration of object between t equal 0 second to t equal 3 second. Okay. See what is given. Velocity equation they have given. We have to find average acceleration. We have to find average acceleration between t equals 0 to. So I have told you that when we have to find average acceleration. Average acceleration. So acceleration average. What was the formula? Acceleration average will be equal to. Acceleration is what? Change in this velocity per unit time is known as acceleration. Change in velocity per unit time. That means v2 minus v1 divided by t2 minus t1. That means we have to find v2 minus v1 divided by t2 minus t1. So v2 means final velocity. So velocity equation is given. What is the equation of velocity? 2t square minus 4t. So what is velocity? It is a starting motion from t equals 0 second. So this object is a starting its motion from t equals 0 second and it is finishing at t equals 3 second. So t equals 3 second is the final time and t equals 0 second is the initial time. So what is final velocity? That means what will be v2? So v2 means final velocity. v2 is what? This is change in velocity now. Final minus initial. So v2 is final velocity and v1 is initial velocity. So v2 means velocity of object at t equals 3 second. So what is velocity of object at t equals 3 seconds? So put t equals 3. So this will be 2 into 3 chi square minus 4 into 3. So this will be 9 to 18 minus 12. That means 6 meter per second. What is v1 then? v1 means velocity of the object. v1 means initial velocity. Initial means a starting time. A starting time means t equals 0. So put t equals 0 in this equation. When you will put t equals 0, so what will be this? 2 into 0 chi square minus 4 into 0. So this will be 0 minus 0. That means v1 will be what? 0 meter per second. So v2 now we know, v1 we know, t2 we know. t2 means final time, t1 means initial time. So 3 seconds is the final time and this 0 second is the initial because it is. We have to find average acceleration from t equals 0 to t equals 3. So it is a starting motion from t equals 0 and it will go up to t equals 3. So t equals 0 is the initial and t equals 3 is the final. So can we find what will be average acceleration? Tell me fastly. This will be v2 is how much? 6. So 6 minus v1 is 0. 6 minus 0 divided by t2. 3 minus 0. What will be this? 6 by 3. That means 2 meter per second square. That will be the answer. That will be the answer. Easy na? Very easy. Okay. Okay, that's the next question. Acceleration is equal to t plus 3. Find equation of velocity. Acceleration equation they have given. We have to find velocity. Again, I am memorizing you displacement, velocity, acceleration. Displacement to velocity, differentiation. Velocity to acceleration, again differentiation. Acceleration to velocity, integration. And velocity to displacement, integration. Which equation they have given? Acceleration equation they have given. What we have to find? We have to find velocity. We have to find velocity. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is dv by dt. What is acceleration? Acceleration is dv by dt. We all know this thing. Acceleration is dv by dt. So can we write that dv is equal to a dt? Cross multiplication. dv is equal to a dt. So can we integrate it both sides? If we will integrate it both sides, so integration of gx. Can you remember? I told you integration of dx is equal to x. Like that, this is integration of dv. So this will be equal to v. So integration of dv will be v. And this is integration of a is how much? T plus 3. So on the place of a we have written t plus 3 dt. Can I write? Because a is what? T plus 3. So on the place of a I have written t plus 3 dt. So can we write that this is v is equal to integration of t dt plus 3 dt. Can we write like this? I have broken this into two parts. T dt plus 3 dt. Both का integration. So t dt का integration. What will happen? This is integration of x to the power n. Now, can we remember x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1? So has power is how much? 1. So integration of t dt. Can you see? This will be t ka power 1. So t ka power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So can we write that this is t square by 2? So integration of t dt will be t square by 2 plus 3 dt. So 3 is a constant. So it will be outside the integration and dt ka integration. dt ka integration t. For example, dx ka integration. See my previous lecture. dx ka integration x. So dt ka integration t. So it will be 3t because 3 is a constant. So this will be the equation of. This will be the equation of velocity. This will be the equation of velocity. Clear? If suppose they will ask you that find velocity, that's the second question in the same right second question. Can I have this one? Copy it. If suppose they will ask you find velocity at t equal 1 second. That means instantaneous velocity. So this is the equation of velocity. What is the equation of velocity? T square by 2 plus 3t. So in this you have to put t equal 1. So this will be 1 square by 2 plus 3 into 1. So this will be 1 by 2 plus 3. Right? That will be the answer. You can. So this is 1. So LCM will be 2. 1 plus 6. 7 by 2. That means how much? 3.5 meter per second. Oh, meter per second. That will be velocity at t equal 1 second. So they can ask you any question related to this. Clear? I am taking one more question. Take the question. Okay. If B is equal to T plus 1, find displacement, find S between T equal 0 second to T equal 2 second. Which equation they have given? Velocity equation they have given. We have to find displacement. Again, displacement, velocity, acceleration. Velocity equation they have given. We have to find displacement. So we have to do integration. So can we write? Now see. Can we write that velocity is what? Can we write that velocity is ds by dt? What is velocity? Change in displacement per unit time is known as velocity. So can we write that ds is equal to v dt? Cross multiplication. So if we will integrate this both sides, so integration of ds will be s. Because I told you integration of dx is x. So integration of ds is s. Integration of v. V is what? T plus 1. So on the place of v, we will add t plus 1 dt. So this thing you have to understand. In the previous question also I have done this type of thing. So this thing you have to understand that how we are doing. So S will be T plus 1 dt. Now can we write that this is S is equal to T dt plus 1 dt. T dt plus 1 dt. Either you can write one or you can note that has no any impact. So integration of T dt. But here what is the limit? Time is, we have to find displacement. S means displacement. We have to find displacement from t equal 0 second to t equal 2 second. So time is starting from 0. It is going up to 2. So lower limit of the integration will be 0 and upper limit will be 2. So time is starting from 0 and time is going up to 2. So lower limit will be 0 and upper limit will be 2. I have discussed this in the previous lecture. Here also time is starting from 0 and time is going up to 2. Now it is easy. S is equal to T dt का इंटीग्रेशन T स्क्वायर बाय 2 T dt का इंटीग्रेशन T स्क्वायर बाय 2 T की पावर 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, right? And the limit will be 0 to 2 plus dt का इंटीग्रेशन T and the limit will be 0 to 2. Is it clear? Now see that how we will put the limit. This is important. Now check this one. S is equal to, can we write T square by 2. Now see, what I told you in my previous lecture, upper limit minus lower limit. So first at the place of T, put 2. T के जगह पे पहले 2 रखो. So this will be 2 का square by 2 minus, put the lower limit. So at the place of T, you have to put 0. So this will be 0 का square by 2. Here in between there is plus, so write plus. Now at the place of T, first put upper limit. So at the place of T, write 2 minus upper limit minus lower limit. So at the place of T, write 0. So how we are solving this thing? Upper limit minus lower limit. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch it. So 2 square will be 4. 4 by 2 minus 0 by 2. So this will be 0. So this will be 4 by 2. And this is plus 2. So 4 by 2 will be 2. So 2 plus 2 will be 4 meter. What will be the answer of displacement? The answer will be 4 meter. Clear? Clear? Like this we will solve all the question. For example, see this one. Acceleration is equal to, if acceleration is equal to 5t square, find velocity at t equal 2 seconds. What is given? Acceleration is given. What is given? Acceleration is given. We have to find velocity. So how we will find? What is acceleration? Acceleration is dv by dt. Can we write? Acceleration is dv by dt. Now do the cross multiplication. Can we write dv is equal to a dt? Integrate both sides. Integration of dv will be v, and integration of a dt. A is what? 5t square dt. Right? So 5t square का integration. What will be this? 5 is what? 5 is a constant. Take it outside. And t square का integration t cube by 3. t की power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 t cube by 3. So this is what? This is the equation of velocity, and we have to find velocity at t equal 2 seconds. We have to find velocity at t equal 2 seconds. Right? So put t equal to, so 5 into 2 का cube divided by 3. 5 into 2 का cube will be 8 by 3. So it will be 40 by 3 meters per second. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. So like this we will calculate. Like this we will calculate. Achha. Listen one thing. That if you will find all these things in NCERT book, then maybe you can't find. But all the concept is there. Now the question is why you can't find? Because many schools teachers are not taking this thing. But this is important for your NEET and JEE main exam also. And there these all questions are frequently coming. And these all questions are easy. So I am giving you some question and hope you can solve this question. And if you can solve this question, then tell me the answer. Tell me the answer in comment section. Tell me the answer in comment section. Right. If S is equal to 3t cube plus 6t square plus 2t, find velocity at t equal 2 seconds, acceleration at t equal 1 second. Second question is, if velocity is equal to 6t square plus 5t, find acceleration at t equal 3 seconds. Right, next question. If acceleration is equal to 5t plus 3. Find velocity at t equal 2 seconds. Okay. So solve these all questions. Solve this all question and tell me the answer in comment section. Thank you.